Assalamu alaikum. Let's check out this WS10-1 Max. It's by WISME. It's a Android watch and it has 7+1. If you can check it. So let's unbox it. Here we go. There it is. So what we have in it? It's a WISME watch. This is the watch. Let's open it. That's the watch. Let's on it. Okay, so we can check it. It have different function. It says heart rate and there is an activity tracker and it has a weather app. Plus it has other personalization option. It comes with 7 belts, so they are in different color. If you can check it out, all are these. And it has a charger that is its USB charger. So let's start with the black one. It has a lot of apps option. You can connect these apps to your Android phone and you can use it with your phone. Let's check it out. I think I have set the belt in the wrong way, so I do it with this way. Now it's okay. That's great. How it looks, let me know. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.